they are the producers of wine and the consumers of wine. अरबों रुपए बनता है पंजाब हरियाणा से. How could they say no to that अरबों रुपया? That's the reason that sometimes, unwanted law is also being passed. 3 तलाक क्या है ये कोई लॉ है? पास तो हो गया था ना, कब से बना हुआ, अब जाके ये खत्म हुआ. So if people say to good, that is good. If people say good to bad, that is bad. Because you got my point. Any doubt कुछ हो रहा है, समझ कोई चीज समझ ना आ रही? हाँ, नहीं ऐसा, nothing except money. Non-money bill. Yes, you say it non-money bill. Yes, Lok Sabha is there, then it will go to Rajya Sabha. If it is Rajya Sabha में टेबल किया गया है, तो लोक सभा के पास. किसी न किसी के पास पहले पहले पूरे कुछ नहीं है. जिसने भी बिल को प्रेजेंट कर दिया, हो सकता है राज्यसभा का मेंबर हो. हाउ कैन यू गो टू लोकसभा? राज्यसभा का मेंबर, मैं एक बिल बनाना चाहता हूँ राज्य में अंदर अपने के पास एक एक कानून. आई वांट टू मेक अ लॉ. So I'm a member of Rajya Sabha. So I have to put it into Rajya Sabha. When Rajya Sabha pass it, then Lok Sabha में चला जाएगा, भैया इसको पास कर दो, Rajya Sabha ने पास कर दिया. If it is not money bill, they will discuss and deliberation is there. I will read for you. Discussion will be there, debates will be there, hot heated debates are also there. Then if they pass, sometimes it is passed. Why it is passed? Because ruling party is having lot of support. ज्यादा votes हैं उसके. भैया तलाक के पीछे सपोज क्यों पास किया गया? क्योंकि बीजेपी के ज्यादा वोट्स थे. ऑटोमेटिकली वो पास होगा ही होगा, तुम चाहे कितने चिल्ला लो. You got my point? So this is, but in money bill, it has to go into the Lok Sabha. It has to pass through the Lok Sabha. It will go to Rajya Sabha. It can withheld, रोक सकता है, बफर जोन लगा सकता है 14 days के लिए. 14 days के बाद भी राज्यसभा के लोग उसको पास ना करें, it will be think it is passed automatically. जैसे लाइट ऑन होती है ना, बिजली चली जाती है तो लाइट और सारी चीजें चलने लग जाती है, तो ठीक वैसा ही है, right? And it will go to president cannot say no it, because it's a money bill. Money is coming from the taxes, and taxes are coming from the pockets of the people. So he has no say. He has to sign. He always sign it. That's why sometimes I told you the Indian president is called a rubber stamp. Got in my point? Okay. So what does the parliament do? Parliament क्या करती है? What is the function of the legislature? ये question है आपका. This is a question mark also. What is the function of a legislature? Do both houses of the parliament have similar functions? Is there a difference between the powers of the two houses? Yes. Money bill may, and Lok Sabha is much more powerful. Obviously, money bill is very much over there. पैसा जहाँ पे बोलता है, तो that is much more powerful. So Lok Sabha is much more powerful than Rajya Sabha. So apart from lawmaking, the parliament is engaged in many other functions. Let us list the functions of the parliament. Legislative function. First function is legislative function. The parliament enacts legislations for the country. कानून बनाती है, right? And despite being chief lawmaking body, the parliament often merely approves legislatures. The actual task of drafting the bill is performed by the bureaucracy under the supervision of minister concerned. इसे underline कर. What do you mean by this? Look, Jagjeevan Ram, नाम सुना होगा. He was a cabinet minister. Jagjeevan Ram. Her daughter was chairperson of Lok Sabha. Right. Jagjeevan Ram was nothing. He was simple middle class man, middle class pass, 8th standard pass किया था उसने. मतलब simple in Hindi we call it 8वीं pass. And he was the defense minister. Defense minister Jagjeevan Ram, 8वीं पास बंदा. और उसके नीचे देखो कितने लोग, हाई people are working pass at all. 5th standard pass through. And he was the president of Indian democratic country. So here ये देखो लिखा हुआ है, the actual task of drafting the bill is for see me time. So what the main task? Main task is IAS and IFS officers. वो बिल को ड्राफ्ट करते हैं, वो बिल को they used to make that billing. The main task is given to the bureaucratic people. That's why एक IAS officer chief minister के नीचे काम करता है, सारी जिंदगी लगा देता पढ़ने के लिए, IAS बनने के लिए. और काम किसके अंदर कर रहा है? एक हो सकता है वो अनपढ़ ही क्यों ना, पॉसिबल है ना. So look, it is written over there. The parliament and often the actual task of drafting the bill is performed by the bureaucracy under supervision of minister concerned. Minister उसके अंदर concerned रहता है, पर bill जो होता है IAS officers, senior IAS officers draft करते हैं. Okay. The substance and even the timing of bill are decided by the cabinet. कब इसको पेश करना है, राइट? अभी देखिए किसान, अभी देखिए फसल का टाइम था, किसान बिल आया है, बहुत बड़ा हल्ला हो रहा है किसान बिल के ऊपर, जहाँ पे कहते हैं कि जो दूसरे ये किसान, somebody saying किसान बिल, farmers bill is very good, somebody saying farmer bill is not good at all. So during this time, right? So the substance and even the timing of the bill are decided by the cabinet. No major bill is introduced in the parliament without the approval of the cabinet. Underline करो, कोई भी बिल बिना कैबिनेट के अप्रूवल के पास नहीं हो सकता, टेबल भी नहीं हो सकता. इससे पहले कि बिल को टेबल किया जाए, they used to the concerned party, concerned ministers, concerned people. Suppose BJP is going to introduce a bill, fine.